We're going to walk you through how to download and install Roblox on your laptop or PC. If you find this helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. So, let's go through this step by step to make sure you know exactly what to do. Let's jump right in. First, open any web browser you like. In my case, I'll use Google Chrome, but you can use any browser you prefer. Next, search for Roblox, or you can go directly to roblox.com. Once the website opens, make sure you sign in to your account. If you don't already have an account, simply create a new one. After you're logged in, go ahead and find a game you want to play. You can scroll down and choose any game you like. For example, I'll click on this one right here. Now, click the play button. You'll see a message saying Roblox is now loading. Shortly after that, Roblox will detect that it's not installed on your computer. When that happens, click on Download Roblox. The installer file will start downloading. Once the download is complete, click on the file and double-click the Roblox installer to open it. The installation will begin. Just wait patiently while it finishes. When the installation is done, Roblox will open automatically. From here, click Sign In, enter your username and password, and you'll be ready to start playing Roblox. And that's it. You're all set.